So that's where I liked it. Comfortably. It goes around my waist. Pockets. Look at those pockets. Then I would check and see if the back piece, I can still get it off my head. This is something that I'm going to do that is not in the instructions. I am going to sew this down. Right there. And actually, you know what? I can just sew right across this. Ah, there's a piece that didn't get cut. Oh, I hope I didn't twist it. Oh, I did twist it. In that case, it's always good to see what kind of mistakes that can be made. Okay, I don't know if you saw what I did. See, I'm going to unpick this right here. I just barely attached that. I'm going to make sure this is flat. Now see, here's your middle. And then go around here. Now see, this is facing the wrong way. So I'm going to twist that. Oh, it's still stuck in there. Okay, now your neck, there's not going to be a twist in it. Okay, now we just start again. And just, voila. Just like that. Take that off. Your last step, if you want to iron it, you can. Otherwise, you can wear it and go make lunch. But you're going to cut off all these little threads. And they're sometimes really hard to find all of them. So you got to see a mistake and unpicking and how to sew up an apron. And this is part 2. Part 1's on Grandma Teppo. And it will show you how to cut out the pattern for this same apron. And hope you learned a little bit. And hope you have fun. And have a good rest of your day. Voila!